Hi everyone! I'm doing a fresh fill today because I recently got engaged a couple weeks ago, but these cuticles are too crusty dusty. I needed to do a fresh set. So I'm going to be debulking this one because I felt like the nails were just a little bit too thick, and I'm going to thin them out really good, and we're going to do a milky white color is what I've decided. So I'm just debulking the nail here. I'm just going to do my pointer finger for today's video and show you all the steps. But I just go really slow, especially since this ceramic bit, it's probably time to change it out. I usually change it out every 2 weeks, I would say, just because of how many clients I do. So I just got a new order in after this video, which the timing was good for me for next week, but during this video, my bit was a little bit old. So I'm going a little bit slower just to make sure it doesn't cause too much heat on my nail, and then we're just debulking it. I'm taking my little sanding bit to go around the cuticle, and then I do go and I always go over top of the rest of the gel with the sanding bit. You don't have to do this step, but for some reason I just can't resist every time. And I just got an order in today of those little tiny sanding bands. I don't know if you've seen them online, but I'm excited to try them out because they're supposed to be a bit better and easier to use when it's around the cuticle area. So in my next video, I'll hopefully be using that if I like it. And then I'm going to go do my cuticles here. The ball bit is my favorite bit to prevent hangnails. I always go after this part here with the flame bit. I go in with my ball bit forward and reverse, nip the cuticles, and then I go back in and do the exact same thing. And I feel like if you struggle with hangnails or like peeling cuticles after a manicure, this part you have to include, or because it just prevents that from happening. So I really recommend it if you do your nails at home to really try it out. Then I pretty much do all my shaping and filing before the gel, because after the gel is applied, I don't go in and buff the top of the gel anymore. I'll just go in and do a quick finish file, and then it'll be ready for polish. So I'm using the Nail Thoughts color in Overcast. It's like a beautiful milky white. I wanted something classy to go with my beautiful new shiny jewel on my hand. So I wanted just a classic white, nothing too crazy. On the first coat, I'm going to do a little bit thicker and then go in with my liner brush just to make it a bit more even and close to the cuticle. But I didn't want to do too many coats with this. I didn't want it to get too thick. So I'm just going in to perfect it before I cure it. And then I'm going to do a shiny top coat. After all 10 nails are done, I'm going with cuticle oil and my new obsession, body butter. This is so nourishing and so nice, and the texture and everything about it. I love body butter now. Anyways, yeah, what do you think? Do you like it? I think it's cute. I think it's classy. I think I'll like it for the next 2 weeks till I want to change it. Thanks so much for watching.